We all want systems to run smoothly, especially when it comes to manufacturing of goods. A frictionless production, successful deliveries, and happy customers will make your life much easier and your company more successful. But how to cope with the increasing requirements of lot size 1 production, complex technologies, and the implementation of more sustainable and agile processes?
SAP's answer to this is the Digital Manufacturing Cloud. The DMC is a cloud-based MES system that goes beyond production execution by including short-term planning and data analytics. Execute your production and leverage from digital work instructions, data collections, precise non-conformance handling, visual inspection for predictive quality, and a seamless shop floor integration for automated processing.
And if an incident occurs, you can react to it immediately. Carefully observe every production line by using real-time monitoring tools and identify root causes for production loss.
You'll also need a tool to schedule your incoming production orders to your manufacturing equipment. Use the resource orchestration module and conduct your production planning in the short term with greater efficiency.
We can tailor the Digital Manufacturing Cloud to your individual business needs. Choose where to start your digital journey and design the strategy that's right for you, together with Westernacher.